WeDo makes it simple to set different ticket and sponsorship levels. So let's take a look at event tickets, and we're going to go down to modify tickets. This is where you can set those different price points and ticket types. So for example, I made an individual ticket that is at $100, fair market value of $75, and you get one ticket when you buy an individual ticket. Or you can buy a full table, which is 10 tickets at $1,000. If I wanted to add another one, I could add a new type of ticket. I can name it, set the price and fair market value, how many tickets come with it. If maybe I wanted a student discount code or something like that, I can add that. And other options like that, as well as making a sold out message and ticket details. So it's very simple to add different levels of tickets, different sponsorship levels, which work the same way. And then we also have the selection section, and this lets us use a general selection menu when we buy tickets. So commonly it could be dinner choice, but it could be any other sort of selection that you might need to be available as an option when someone is buying a ticket. So now when I have my tickets ready, what that'll look like is this. You'll see now it's different according to the table or the ticket settings that I created. So let's say I'm buying a ticket or a table. My 10 guests populate. I'm not going to fill that out right now because I don't know who I'm inviting yet. I'm going to not be do a sponsorship since I already have 10 tickets. And then my contact. Oops. Like so. Okay, and it shows that I'm going to do $1,000. I'll pay by check for now. Confirm that I'm not a robot. And I just bought a table. So now if I go to view ticket sales, I show up as Brett Luce with a table for 10, and it's check unpaid right now. And if I'd like to start filling in some of my guests, I can go to manage guests, and you'll see that I have 10 guests under Brett Luce, and right now they're just listed as guest of Luce. So I might want to bring my friend Joe and his wife Jane and so on, and I can add their email addresses and phone if I have it. And what that's going to do is allow me to make sure that they get any email or phone alerts that they need, like how to log in if they want to choose to be a bidder. Let's say Joe, I know, likes steak, and his wife is a vegetarian, so I'll make their dinner selections there. Now, if I'd like to turn these guests into bidders, I have contact information now for Joe and Jane to do that. So I can select these two guests and go to my batch update, and I'm going to make them a bidder and type make bidder to confirm. I'm going to update that. So now I've gone ahead and turned them into a bidder, and they've gotten an email showing them how to log in to access their bidding. And I can do this with all of my guests as I get their contact information. We can also do batch updates with table name and company name, which makes it really easy to do multiple data updates at a time.